Okay, this is the next question. In this, we need to calculate voltage across capacitor, right? So again, we'll follow the same steps. Step number 1, we need to draw the diagram for t less than 0. Now tell me, at t equal to 0, the switch is opened, right? At t equal to 0 minus, the switch will be closed. So in this condition, the switch will remain closed. Okay, means it will behave as a plain wire and capacitor will be open circuit, right? We'll always mark A and B across where the capacitor was connected. So in this case, it is VAB. We need to calculate VC of 0 minus, that would be equal to VC of 0 plus, that would be equal to VAB, correct? Now tell me, how can we get the value for VAB? Hmm? How can we get VAB? It's similar to the with Thevenin VAC plus VCD plus VDB. Correct. Now VAC is how much? This will be 0. VCD is how much? ICD into RCD. RCD is 2 kilo ohm means 2000 ohm. Right? All these are ohm. This one is kilo ohm. So now we need to calculate ICD. We can simply apply KVL. Now the KVL equation is minus 500I minus 1000I 1, or we can say plus 50 is equal to 0, right? So that would be minus 2500 I1 is equal to minus 50. Minus minus cancel, 0 0 cancel, 5 5 da 25. So it would be 50. I1 we got it as how much? 50, right? So I1 is 50 into 2. How much will get VC of 0 minus? That is 100. Oh, sorry, yeah. I is 5 over 25. So it would be 1 by 5. Correct, correct. So I is 1 by 5. Okay. So what is the value of VAB? Then in that case, 1000 divided by 5 into 5. VAB would 400 volt. 40 नहीं आ रहा